We are seeing a lot of sunshine and a few clouds. So as we take a look at what's happening on our radar and satellite, you'll see just a few showers. So we are going to be dealing with the potential for some stray showers on the breeze, although right now we're in the clear Miami-Dade and Broward County. The wind flowing out of the east-southeast, 20 miles an hour, and winds will continue to just move in off the ocean, and temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. When you factor in the high humidity, it feels like the mid to upper 90s because it is so steamy out there. In the meantime, the chilly air is over here in Denver, Albuquerque, Billings. We're seeing 50s, 40s, stretching even through parts of Dallas, Kansas City, Chicago, into Boston. It's all behind this frontal boundary that is leading to that wet weather and the flooding across parts of Texas. We are the warm spot here in South Florida, but yeah, it is unfortunate to see that the rain is still falling for much of Texas. The southern plains could see some more flooding there, and we're also seeing rain stretching across the Gulf Coast states and through parts of the Northeast. So highs will continue to climb to around 90. A few areas will sit in the upper 80s. Sun, breeze, and we're going to be dealing with a small craft caution for boaters. Keep that in mind. Winds out of the east, 15 to 20 knots, seas 3 to 5, with choppy conditions on the bays. So a dangerous high risk of rip currents at the beach. If you see those red flags flying, that means you should avoid swimming, and that elevated risk of rip currents will likely continue the rest of the week because we have that east wind that's going to likely stay with us. So tonight there will be the potential for some showers and that ocean breeze. Temperature is right around 80 degrees. So as we head throughout the next few days, some moisture lingering mainly at the surface with that beach breeze that could carry in some spotty showers. As we head into Sunday, we are tracking a front. Looks like it's going to stay to our north, and that means that the colder air, the drier air, is going to likely be across parts of the Panhandle, possibly central Florida. Now for us, that frontal boundary could bring us a slight drop in temperatures. The model's still not in agreement as to what's going to happen and if it'll actually clear the area, so we'll have to continue to tweak that. But the upper 80s will continue the next few days, very warm and steamy, and we'll see a mix of that sun and breeze. As we head into Saturday and Sunday, we'll see those lows in the upper 70s, highs in the upper 80s with a mix of sun and scattered showers. And then look at what happens on Monday. Temperatures will go down by a few degrees, as well as the humidity likely courtesy of that fall front that we are all waiting for, right? At least to bring those temperatures down a bit. And that'll likely be the case through Tuesday, but we could still see the breeze and a couple of showers.